Hey everybody, just want to do a quick video, show you the new Halloween layout that I did. Kind of mixed up. I had a little bit of Lego that I liked, so I put that in there. But all this is that lemax Spooky Town from Michaels. Got all of this on clearance. I think anywhere from 30 to 50% off, depending when we went in. But I don't know if you saw the short, I have it all lit up. You guys can check that out. But it's pretty cool. It's a quick layout, you know, nothing elaborate, but just shows you kind of what you can do real quick. And it looks pretty decent. You know, a lot of this stuff is really cool to see. You can, like I said, you can put anything in it. It's your layout. So you do like I got the Lego haunted house, the 3-in-1. Like these little trees here from the Dollar Tree. That tree is a lemax that was on clearance. I think you got it for like $6. You know, these little hay bales were in the model train section, so I got those. They were $1 on clearance. Little dollar store spiders. And then these little figurines I got at the Dollar Tree too. They're like in the little toy aisle. So I got a couple more. I think I have the Harry Potter ones, but they're about the same size as the ones from lemax. Here, I'll put her next to it. I mean, about the same size. So. But like this tree is a dollar store tree. That's pretty neat. That sparkly tree, dollar store tree, dollar store, dollar store. So you don't have to spend a ton of money to get a little, you know, cool little effect, but here's kind of an overview. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. Quick little video. Thanks for watching.